Hi, it's Teresa here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to wear the really versatile pleated vest. So here it is, but let's get started with what to wear underneath it. So it's always recommended to wear anything fitted. Okay, don't worry about any lumps and bumps because no one's going to see them. The vest will get thrown over the top of everything. So here we go. The basic way to wear it is just throw it on. If it's winter time, you can wear it with long sleeves like we have on the mannequin here. Now I'm wearing like leggings and a bit of a long top with it and short sleeves. So it's great in summertime with a short dress, even a strappy dress. But like I said, if it's fitted, it's more flattering. If it's fuller, it'll just make you look a bit bigger. That's the only thing. So let's get started. So you just throw it on, basic way to wear it. And it's lovely and funky because when it's loose, you've got these irregular bits that are hanging down the front. So that just creates an elongated look for you. So it can make you look taller and slimmer as well with the color going down the sides. Okay, so we can tie it into a knot. Now there's two ways to do that. I'm just going to grab it like this, just maybe that far away from each end, and tie a tiny knot. Okay. There we go. So that's closed it up. So if it's breezy, there's no danger of it flying open in the breeze. So here we go. Another way to do this, and of course this is great if you're a plus size, okay? Another way to do this is we go all the way just to the corner here and we tie them together into a knot. So this shortens the front hem. So if you're slightly shorter and it's too long for you, this is a great way to do it. So I've tied a knot, and as you can see, it's actually now roughly to my knees. So that's another way to do it, and that won't come flying open either. Okay, let's undo this. Now, another way. I'm going to take one end and tie it around one armhole, the opposite armhole. Tie a knot, single knot is enough, and we can move it up or down to alter the neckline. Okay, so that's one way. So it's like a tunic, it's covering your tummy. The good news about these armholes, even though they're sleeveless, it extends far enough out to give you that coverage at the top of your arms and sort of underneath your arms. So that's really handy. So we've got one knot on one armhole. We can also do the same on the other side if we want. So grabbing the other side, taking the other armhole, push this through and tie just a single little knot. There we go. And then always do this in front of a mirror so you can play with it, move it up and down. Moving it up shortens the neckline, and moving it down lengthens it. So you've got a lovely cowl neck going on. So there we go. We've got one this way, one that way. So that's great to wear just over the top of any little fitted dress. I've had lots of customers wearing them to formal occasions. Even I've had a mother of the groom getting one and wearing it over her dress because she was self-conscious of her tummy area. Another way, and you can wear it all year round, so that's great. Now this adds a splash of colour in winter as well, and we're going to wear it as a scarf. So even though it's got the holes there for the arms, they really don't get seen, so here's a scarf. And if it is a windy day and you don't want it to blow away, we just take one end, find one armhole, and pull it through. And that secures it. Okay, and you can wear it under a big coat, or just even in summertime, just wear it if you want to just cover up your neck area and your tummy area. That's it for the pleated scarf, and have fun playing with it in front of the mirror, and I'm sure you'll find even more ways to wear it. If you've got any questions, please ask, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks, bye.